Hey, HealthHypes crew. Tired of feeling stuck in your tiny apartment with no gym in sight? I get it. Small spaces can feel like a fitness roadblock. But here's the truth. You don't need fancy equipment or a big room to get shredded. Today, we're diving into a killer body weight workout for small spaces that'll torch calories, build strength, and boost your mood, all from your living room. Stick with me for 10 game-changing exercises backed by science that'll transform how you move. Ready to sweat? Let's make it happen. Number 1. Warm up with dynamic stretching. Before we jump in, let's prep those muscles. A 2019 study in sports medicine shows dynamic stretching boosts performance and reduces injury risk. In your small space, try high knees for 30 seconds, arm circles for 30 seconds, and leg swings, hold a wall for balance, for 15 seconds per leg. Keep it smooth and controlled to get blood flowing. Pro tip, move furniture a bit to create a 4 by 4 foot space. Feel that energy building? You're priming your body for an epic workout. Number 2, push-ups for upper body strength. Push-ups are your small space superhero. They hit your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. A 2020 Journal of Strength study found push-ups match bench press gains for beginners. Start with standard push-ups, 10 to 15 reps, or modify on your knees. Keep your body straight like a plank and lower until your chest hovers above the floor. No room to sprawl? Do them against a sturdy counter. Engage your core and breathe out as you push up. Feel the burn yet? Number 3, squats for lower body power. Squats are a must for strong legs and glutes. Research from Medicine and Science in Sports 2021 shows squats improve mobility and burn fat. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, push your hips back, and lower until thighs are parallel to the ground, 10 to 12 reps. Tight space? Hold a chair for balance. Keep your chest up and knees tracking over toes. Bonus, add a pulse at the bottom for extra fire. You're building a foundation for life. Number 4, plank for core stability. Your core is your powerhouse. Planks build abs, obliques, and lower back strength. A 2018 Journal of Physical Therapy study says planks outperform crunches for core endurance. Hold a forearm plank for 20 to 30 seconds, keeping your body straight, no sagging hips. Short on space? Plank next to your bed or couch. Engage your abs like you're bracing for a punch. Too tough? Drop to your knees. You're tougher than you think. Number 5, mountain climbers for cardio. Let's spike that heart rate. Mountain climbers torch calories and boost agility per a 2022 sports health study. In a plank position, drive your knees towards your chest one at a time, like running in place, 30 seconds. Keep your hands planted and core tight. No room. Slow the pace, but keep the intensity. This move is a full body party. Feel your heart pumping? That's your fitness level soaring. Number 6, tricep dips. Using a chair, tone those arms with tricep dips. A 2020 Strength and Conditioning study confirms dips target triceps effectively. Sit on a sturdy chair, hands gripping the edge, and slide your butt off, bending elbows to lower your body, 10 to 12 reps. Keep elbows pointing back, not flaring out. No chair? Use a low table or bed edge. Feel the shake? That's your arms getting stronger in your tiny space. Number 7, lunges for balance and strength. Lunges sculpt your legs and improve balance. A 2019 Journal of Sports Science study links lunges to better mobility. Step forward, lowering until your front thigh is parallel to the ground. 8 to 10 reps per leg. Tight space? Do reverse lunges to save room. Keep your torso upright and core engaged. Hold a wall if wobbly. You're building legs that turn heads. Number 8, bicycle crunches for abs. Bicycle crunches are an ab shredding classic. A 2021 Journal of Applied Physiology study ranks them top for oblique activation. Lie on your back, hands behind head, and alternate touching elbows to opposite knees while extending the other leg, 12 to 15 reps per side. Short on floor space, slide under a table or bed. Keep it slow and controlled. No neck pulling. Your abs are popping already. Number 9, wall sits for endurance. Wall sits are a small space gem. They build quad and glute endurance per a 2020 sports medicine study. Lean against a wall, slide down until thighs are parallel to the floor, and hold for 30 to 45 seconds. Arms relaxed, breathe deeply, no equipment needed, just a wall. Feel the burn? That's your lower body getting bulletproof. Push through. You've got this. Number 10, cool down with static stretching. Time to recover. A 2018 Journal of Sports Medicine study shows static stretching improves flexibility and reduces soreness. Sit or stand in your small space and hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. Hamstring stretch, leg on a chair, chest opener, hands behind back, and side stretch, reach overhead. Breathe deeply and relax. You just crushed it. Your body's thanking you. Wow, HealthHypes fam, you just powered through a bodyweight workout for small spaces that's going to change the game. We covered 10 moves, from push-ups to wall sits, that prove you don't need a big space or gym to get fit. Each exercise builds strength, burns fat, and boosts confidence, all backed by science. Start with 3 sessions a week and watch your energy soar. You're stronger than any excuse. Keep showing up for yourself. Let's make fitness a lifestyle, no matter where you are. If you loved this workout, smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite move, and subscribe to HealthHypes for more fitness hacks. Share this with a friend who's stuck in a small space. They'll thank you. Let's grow this community and keep the hype alive.